Welcome to Ionizer Research. I'm Bob, the Ionizer guy, with some more information for your consideration. Today's video is really focused on the UCE-13 Plus with Hydrogen Boost from a company called Tyent USA. Now, this is not a set. This is my kitchen. I've had many different ionizers in this kitchen over the last 20 years that I've had an ionizer. And if you look back at my older videos, you never hear me telling people what is in my kitchen, okay? We sell multiple brands, we buy in bulk, we always have the best pricing. I go over that in my other videos as well. If you're interested in getting a machine, I can help figure out which is the right machine for you and your household, and I can always get you the best price. That part's easy. The hard part is, especially when it comes to under-counter models, is finding a really good, true under-counter model, not a convertible unit. There's a bunch of convertible units out there. They have many issues. You know, you basically have a box that goes under your sink. It's supposed to be a box that sits on top of your counter. The water comes out, okay? It works fine. When you stick that box underneath your sink, it's not designed to push water up from underneath the sink to a faucet like you have right here. So when that happens, what's gonna happen is you're gonna have the alkaline and the acidic water streams mixing together, which is gonna greatly affect the levels. The worst part of the whole thing, though, is when any convertible unit, when that water pressure stops and it backwashes back down into the box of the machine, think about like a riverboat and they got the propeller on the back going like this. Well, now you're turning that propeller backwards until it snaps, and now you blew the chamber, which is the most expensive part of this machine. So basically what it comes down to is this. If you're looking for a countertop machine, there's a ton of good options out there, many of them, okay? When you're looking at under-counter models, I really felt compelled today to talk to you about what I have in my own kitchen, which is the UCE-13 Plus from Tyent USA with Hydrogen Boost. This machine is so much better than anything else on the market, better than any other machine I've ever tested in the 20 plus years that I've had a machine in my kitchen. Part two of this video, we're gonna get into the levels. I got a hydrogen meter here. I'm gonna show you the high amounts of hydrogen that you're gonna get from this machine. I was actually blown away by myself when I did the testing. I couldn't believe how strong it actually came out. And you're also gonna see the antioxidant ORP levels, which are also very high with this machine, the really strong alkaline and the really strong acidic levels, which is great for like disinfecting and stuff like that. So stay tuned for part two of this video. We're gonna get into the levels, and we're really gonna see, you could see for yourself if this is really the best machine on the market or the best machine ever. Stay tuned. Okay, part two, here we go. We're gonna show you the parts per million of molecular hydrogen coming out of this machine on the strong alkaline setting, just to give you an idea of what you are getting in this machine compared to what you can get on other machines. It's really not even close, but I'll show you for yourself. All right, so now you got the strong alkaline water.
Do not drink.
You got your meter going back down to 0. There we go. Now, look at your levels. 1.7, over 1.7, 1.71, 1.72 parts per million of molecular hydrogen. That is completely crazy. When you're never going to get that on any ionizer. Trust me, I've been doing this over 20 years. I've tested many machines. You're lucky to get over 1 part per million. Most of them are even less than that. When you go to the antioxidant levels, which is your negative ORP, that's showing you the antioxidant levels in your machine. Look at these levels. That's freaking crazy. I've seen it over negative 900. Right here. Now, everybody's source water is different, so the mineral content's going to matter. But these levels are crazy. You're not getting that from any other machine. Now, you're going to get a pH testing kit with your machine. Reagent drops, shown from 3 to 11 on the pH scale. Little bottle of droppers. All right, all you got to do is add water. So we'll make a new fresh sample. 2 tablespoons of water. Like that. 2 tablespoons of water on the acid side. That's that. Add in your drops. Super strong alkaline, super strong acidic. So you got red on the acid. You can't get any better than that. The pH chart only goes to orange, but this shows you red, which is under a 2, which is crazy. And then this would be super dark purple, which is going to be definitely over an 11. that's just showing you right there. Now, if you don't have a hydrogen meter, they're very expensive to invest in. Here's what you can do. It's a little trick I learned. So,
turbo mode.
Listen to the crackling. Watch the flame.
Do not drink.
Hear that? That's insane. You hear the popping? Wow. See the flame shooting through? That's showing you the presence of hydrogen gas. You can light any other water on fire, it's not gonna go on fire. It's not gonna pop because there's not hydrogen like you are getting with this machine, which is completely crazy. And you can't do that with any other ionizer, at least none that I've checked over the years. This machine's super strong. So anyway, if you're into getting the best levels and you want an under-counter model, you cannot go wrong with the UCE-13 Plus. Give me a call. I'll get you an amazing deal on it. Again, lifetime warranty. I can also get you an amazing deal on any other machine. We sell multiple brands. And just to show you this machine real quick, here you go. This is at Alkaline 3, which is 9.5. Look how fast this flow rate is. This is 9.5. This is what I'm drinking. Let me show you the levels of hydrogen you're getting on this. And this is at drinkable levels. Almost up to a 1.7 again. You're at 1.67. That is insane. You might get a half a part per million at drinkable levels in most other machines. You're getting a full part per million more with this machine than you can get with others. It's crazy, people. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. I've done many videos over the years, but again, I really felt compelled to show you this machine in action in my house, show you what ionizers are actually capable of, especially when they have hydrogen boost like this machine. So anyway, give me a call when you after you watch this video if you want to discuss it or any other machine. Again, we'll definitely get you the best price. 888-245-8647, 888-245-8647. And again, this is Bob, the Ionizer guy from IonizerResearch.com. I look forward to getting you all the information you need and the best price on an alkaline water ionizer.